Hi. Welcome to my channel, Kanwal Media 205. In this video, I am going to show you how to design a professional look CV. Let's start. First we will adjust the size of a page. For design a CV, always select A4 size. Now, go to an Insert tab, go to Shapes, select Rectangular shape, then draw it. Here you see, how can we draw it on page, and adjust it. I am covering half page with this shape. Now, again go to Shapes, select another shape, which you want to show in your CV. I am selecting this one. Now I draw this and adjust it. I draw a bar, for headings, like, objectives, qualification etc. I am drawing some more bars, for heading. Now, you can change the color of shapes, as you like. I am changing the color of shapes. For change color of shapes, go to Shape Fill, and select any color, which give your CV attractive look. Now, go to Word Art, select Writing Style. To write the main heading on the top, adjust its place, color, and size. Bold it, if you want. Then, here, I am drawing a text box. Adjust the font size and writing style that is suitable. Now, in this text box, you can write your personal identity. Name, father name, date of birth, CNIC number, contact number, and address. You can also write your nationality, city, and religion. Now, I am adjusting the font size, and bold it all. Then, go to paragraph option, and adjust the line spacing. Now, I am removing the box by clicking on no outline and also no fill the shape of text box, so the text is more clear. Now, I am adjusting the position of heading. Here you can also change the heading, like, instead of writing, resume, you can also write, curriculum vitae. Okay, I adjusting it. You can also change color of these bars, as you wish. Here, I am changing the color. Now, I am going to write the subheadings, so, again I am selecting the word art. First I am going to write here, personal identity. Now, to write subheadings on these bars, I am selecting the word art again. In the first bar, I am writing, objectives. Then bold it, and adjust. Now, in the next bar, I am writing, qualification. The spaces, I leave here, but you do not leave spaces. In these spaces, you will write your own info, according to subheadings. In remaining bars, I am writing experience, and skills. Adjusting its size and positions. You have choice, to fill the page with color, if you like. Adjusting the line spacing, by going to a paragraph option, I am choosing the suitable line spacing. Now, this is done. This is how we will design a professional look CV. Save this on your computer. Thank you for watching. Like and share our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, for interesting learning videos. Press the bell icon to get notification of my latest uploaded videos.